Alright, y'all, I'm gonna show you how to do the loader, the one that comes with the Glock. This is the 40 extended clip, extended magazine for all those professional types, but you know. So push down and push in, let the loader come over, push the bullet back into the thing, and you repeat. Push in, come back over, push in. Got it? Push down, come back over, push in. Once you kind of find your rhythm, it gets easier to do. That's how you do it. Black Rambo. Now, I'll do a video on the difference between the lawman. Like this will go through car door, glass, where this is more home defense, goes into the body of the intruder. And well, let me just show you. This has quickly become an unboxing of the Black Rambo ammo, which I'm so impressed by. So I'm going to show you the difference between the two. If you're truck gun, this goes through car doors or windows. If you're at home and you don't want to shoot your kids running behind or out the door, you just want to shoot the intruder, that's these. Hornady Critical Defense or Black Rambo ammo, both will do the job.